Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So in today's video I want to show you how to check full computer system information. To get started, go to your Windows search bar and search for Run. Just click to open and then type ms info 32 and click OK. Now this one will give you all the information, count summary of your system, that is from the OS that you are operating, the version, the manufacturer, the system name, the processor, device, boot device, username, installed RAM, total memory, and so many other options that you may be interested if you want to diagnose your machine. You can also check hardware resources. So this one is just a subcategory of the system summary. Sometimes it may take time to load, so you just give it some time. You can expand all these options to see more about the stuff that you are looking for, and that is how simple you can check the system summary in your Windows operating system. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.